Hello, today we will guide you through how to admit Zoom attendees from a waiting room. If you're hosting a Zoom meeting, the waiting room is a helpful feature that lets you control when participants are allowed to join. This is especially useful when you want to make sure only the right people enter the meeting at the right time. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of admitting someone from the waiting room into your Zoom session. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you are signed in and that the application is fully loaded before moving on. If Zoom is already open, you can simply bring it to the front of your screen. Starting from the app ensures you have access to the full meeting controls you'll need as the host. Next, open your Zoom meeting. In this example, you'll open a sample meeting, but the same process applies whether it's a test meeting, a team call, or any scheduled session you're hosting. Once the meeting window's open, give it a moment to fully connect. You'll want to confirm that you are inside the active meeting before looking for participant controls. After the meeting is open, go to the bottom area of the Zoom window and click on Participants. This opens the participant panel, which is where you can manage people who are already in the meeting, as well as anyone waiting to be let in. If you don't immediately see the toolbar at the bottom, move your mouse over the meeting window and it should appear. With the participant panel open, look toward the top right area for the Admit option. Click Admit to allow the waiting attendee into the meeting. Once selected, that person will be moved from the waiting room into the live session so they can participate. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to quickly review who is waiting before admitting them, especially if you're in a private or internal meeting. The waiting room gives you a chance to manage access carefully and avoid interruptions. If multiple people are waiting, you can repeat the same process as needed. And that's all there is to it. By opening the Zoom app, joining your meeting, accessing the participant panel, and clicking Admit, you can easily let attendees in from the waiting room and keep your meeting running smoothly.